Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I just wanted to share not an unboxing, but just share with you guys this new Bible I got. It is a Bible in Spanish, a Spanish Bible. And I got a Spanish Bible because I feel like I need to work on my Spanish, and I know my mom and I have been talking about like starting at my church. We've done this Bible study going through the women of the Bible, and they would love to translate that and do one in Spanish. Since the material is already there, why not translate it? So I figured I'd prepare myself, get ahead. We used to have a Spanish ministry at my church, but after COVID and everything, like that kind of like fizzled. Other things happened, but yeah, so this is the new Bible I just got. It is, I guess I should have kept the sleeve on it. It's a Bible, a note, like a journaling Bible in Spanish to, has room for notes. And this one's called Biblia de Apuntes. My Espanol is not the greatest, so. But yeah, and it's large letters. It does have the words of Jesus in red, which I like because that's one thing I don't like about my. Does my journaling Bible have Jesus' words in red? No, I don't know. I don't think it does. But yeah, so I do need to test out different pens and stuff with it, just because these pages are so smooth. They do not feel like, they're like, I don't know, they're just like so soft and almost like a plastic. I don't know. It does not feel papery. It feels like anything that I write on here, if it's not a ballpoint pen, it's going to just slip and rub and smudge. So we will find out. I think I'm on my TikTok, I will do like comparing the different pens and highlighters that I have. So if you want to see that, that should be up sometime this week. But yeah, it's really nice. I just wanted to do a really quick little video. It is single column, which I'm super excited about because that's one thing I wish about my journaling Bible, is that it was single column, so I can like point my notes to the verses, and sometimes the verses in the other column, and it's like going through all things. So yeah, so I really like that this is in a single column. There is a lot of space. I want to say there is like, let's see how come I'm measuring this. I say 2.5 inches, 2 1/4. That was pretty close. There's about 2 1/4 journaling space on the outsides. It's really nice. The letters aren't ginormous. I wouldn't call this a large letter Bible. Like, they're not the biggest. And there's just little footnotes at the bottom. Just not footnotes, like cross-reference verses. But there's not any notes in here. So I did want a journaling Bible because I figured if I'm going to be reading this in Spanish, I'm going to need to add some notes in there, because there are definitely going to be words I don't know, and things that, I'm going to have to like explain. I did get this in the KJV for Spanish, and yeah, I really like it. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Like, this is my typical like Bible that I use. Like, this is my study Bible, so it's like much wider, a little bit taller. It is the same size as my journaling Bible, obviously not as thick because it's not interleaved, but it is the same size. So if you have this Bible, you can compare that. I know not tons of people are going to be interested in this video because like I'm sharing with you guys a Spanish Bible, but I just wanted to share that. I got this in yesterday, and I thought I would share that with you guys. If you want to see any, I can't even say that. I can't even say that I would do videos in Spanish because my Espanol is muy malo. Like, it's bad, guys. So that's why I'm working on that. And yeah, so I'm going to be trying to read from this a little. We'll see. It's mostly for when we start our Bible study and all that stuff, so I can read in Spanish too while everyone else is reading in Spanish. And yeah, so I figured I'd just share that with you guys. I do have videos in the work, so hopefully staying on a routine, a schedule, so we can have videos every week. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video.